My name is B. Rahul from 10th class PCM School, Karkambadi Road. The name of our project is Globe Cooling, which helps to decrease global warming. Nowadays, global warming happens through the ACs. When we turn on the AC, we feel cool inside, but when we come outside, we feel hot because CFC gas, chlorofluorocarbon gas, is releasing from inverters, AC inverters. When we keep this setup in front of inverters, the CFC gas passes through the cylinders, and here tiny droplets, water droplets, get reacted with CFC gas. CFC gas, normally it is an hot gas. When reaction takes place with water droplets, it gets cooled. After we turn off AC also, our neighbors also use AC. That CFC gas will trap, these cylinders will trap that neighbor's CFC gas, and it also get cooled. Like that, my project helps to decrease global warming. To prove this, here the air temperature is 93.4 degrees. Here it is an low temperature. Like that, my project helps to decrease global warming. Thank you.